Revealed on the occasion of Aston Martin Design Studio's opening party at Gaydon in December 2007, the unique V12 RS concept was revealed by Dr Ulrich Bez and resulted in a rush of customer interest and orders. Here was Aston Martin's smallest car with their biggest and most powerful engine installed. Fitted with a DBRS9 detuned engine producing 585 brake horsepower, dry sump lubrication, use of carbon fibre materials, and a power-to-weight ratio of 375 brake horsepower per tonne, details were scant on reveal. The RS concept, the very car we are proud to offer, utilised the aluminium construction V8 chassis architecture pioneered by Aston Martin, in this instance fitted with an Aston Martin Racing supplied DBRS9 C-Spec 6-litre V12 engine. Utilising dry sump lubrication and highly specified components, including tuned length exhaust manifolds, forged pistons and strengthened steel conrods, with revised lift and duration camshafts and modified cylinder heads. Bodied in aluminium and carbon fibre panels, some unique to the RS concept, the car was shown with carbon interior fixtures and fittings, Alcantara trim and exclusive lightweight materials still fitted. The total weight of under 1,500 kilos, being some 200 kilos under the published weight of the production V12, lighter even than the later GT12, of which 100 were built. Road registered in the UK in 2014, the RS concept car was displayed by Aston Martin at the Geneva Motor Show in 2008, the Goodwood Festival of Speed that year, and featured on the cover of Top Gear and Evo magazines. Tested at Circuit Paul Ricard in 2008, the RS concept was timed through the speed trap at 175 miles an hour, eclipsing the speed of Aston Martin Racing's GT2, GT3 and GT4 racing machinery, tested simultaneously. Later to become the V12 Vantage, a distinctly diluted form of the RS concept, that model went on to become one of Aston Martin's most popular cars in production until 2018. One of the very few Aston Martin concept cars to enter into private ownership, this RS concept car represents a unique opportunity for international collectors to acquire a remarkable and original concept of what was to become one of Aston Martin's greatest cars of the modern era. Road registered, in pristine condition and maintained by Aston Martin's Special Vehicle Operations, we're delighted to bring to market this unique and original concept car. Complete with a spares package, history file with extensive documentation and photography, this very special and highly desirable car is available now at our Hertfordshire home.